Alright, so our goal today is to make this tractor go a little bit faster, which means we're going to have to mess with the idle spring. So it's a little hard to show this, but if you see right in there that spring behind that lever attached to it, well, I'm going to be messing with this lever, bending it until it pulls. Hold on a second, gotta get the camera right. Until it pulls that other lever back there right away. So I need it to pull as soon as I pull that. If you can see it moving down there, I need it to pull that back piece. So I'll get back to you when that's done and show you what's up. So I figured you guys would want to see what I'm doing here. So I'm going in with the needle noses, coming up to this piece right here. There's a spring. The spring's right, it's connected to this. So what we want to do is go in here and bend, try to grab as far towards the engine as you can on this metal piece, and try to grab both these little tabs. But preferably try to get that left tab. There we go. That should be, let's check it. See how much quicker that moves? That means that our top end now will be a higher RPM. And stay there better. And just to be sure, we're gonna test it. So I'll just put you guys right here. Oh yeah, that is so